How do you use DeepSeek to generate videos? So to use DeepSeek to generate video, you want to go into this website right here. So basically enter your video idea, start by providing a script, text prompt, or a video concept in the send short website, and then generate and edit it with AI. You can also create a video based on your input, adding relevant visuals, captions, and effects. And you can also now export and share. So by basically going into this platform right here, logging into your account, because it has integration with DeepSeek, you can easily generate the video. So basically just sign up first and make sure to use your email or create your own account and log in to this reel right here. And now you can see it should start and you should be able to generate these types of content right here that you will see at the right corner. This right here, some viral TikTok trends or niche that are shorts or reels or YouTube shorts. It can create easily for you using DeepSeek or AI. And basically just type your prompts after create your account and should be able to start creating these videos easily. And that's how you basically use DeepSeek to create videos.